8 o'clock Pacific time on Thursday, October 20th. Wanted to show you the GLD. This is the gold ETF and a possible trade opportunity. We are back down here near this lower trend line, and I have drawn a line along the lows here. This takes us back at least through the beginning of the year, so this trend's been in place for a while. You could also make an argument that this trend goes back into 2010 as well. So a major challenge coming up here. Will it hold? We don't know. What I like to do is buy against this line as prices are rising. So once again, down here challenging this lower trend line, down about almost 4% on the week. Gold did bounce here 3 or 4 weeks ago, came up, challenged this 20-week moving average here, closed above it last week, and now we have reversed and fallen. So let's go to a daily chart and look at this little. And here is a daily chart of the GLD. You can see us coming down right on this line here at about the $157 mark. Fought a battle here at this red line, which is the 21-day moving average. Still below it. Couldn't get above it the last 4 or 5 sessions. Challenging it now. The line has broken through this green dotted line, which is the 100-day moving average, crossing below that. And of course, we're below the 50-day moving average. So chart-wise, we are under key moving averages, which is not a great sign. On the bullish side, we have developed this sort of trading channel that is slightly moving higher, and we are holding above these lows made several weeks ago. So gold fighting a battle to get some sort of a rally going here, challenging down here at the lower trend line. If it breaks further, that will be a sign of weakness. If it breaks out of this line, and certainly if it takes out 155.27, we're back in a downtrend here. And scrolling down to show you volume, you can see that it has been light for the last several weeks. We did have a spike up here just to average volume on a down day, so not a great sign there, but just low volume, trying to just move higher in sort of a slow measured way. But once again, back down here challenging things. Now drilling down here to a 60-minute chart. This is one bar for every 1 hour's worth of trading. You can see that we are clearly in a downtrend on the 60-minute graph here. And I don't like to buy if this is in a downtrend. I like to wait for this to be in an uptrend. So we have broken through the 158.30, obviously, which has kept this downtrend going. Our high here of 162.03 was under this high here of 164.16. So lower highs and lower lows, that is a downtrend. And we are beneath these key moving averages here. So on a 60-minute chart, we're looking weak. And certainly we're below this 200-hour moving average here. And all our moving averages are lining up to the downside. So in trading the GLD, if it breaks 155.27, we're clearly in a downtrend. I would not buy the GLD unless the 60-minute chart is back in an uptrend. So at this point, it's just let's wait and see if we can get something going here. And you can monitor the spot gold prices in real time over at Kitco. And we can see that we are at 1609 right now, sort of in this sideways pattern here, holding above the $1,600 mark. So once again, we're at a critical area of support for gold, watching very closely down here to see if we can get a rally going, or if we break further and go back into a downtrend.